Blvd Auto Upholstery presents Hummer H1 4-door pickup customization. Originally designed strictly for military use, the off-road vehicle was released to the civilian market due to market demand. This model has a boring interior design, and owner wants to upgrade it and make it unique. The exterior, rear pickup section should be customized either. We are going to create a whole new interior design, plus upgrade entertainment system. We've removed all the seats and started working on stereo system. It is a real challenge. We've spent a few days on this Humvee, and now you can see real results. New entertainment center, custom diamond-style black leather seats, high-end suede headliner and pillars. Gorgeous front seats and new black main console. Now driver has own multifunctional monitor and rear view camera. Professional Hummer Restoration Los Angeles. Call us today 323-304-8526.